Weaving, a craft that has stood the test of time. While young weavers are an increasingly rare sight these days, Shane Miller of Newmarket in St. Elizabeth is breathing new life into this age-old skill. Out of clutter, find simplicity. From discord, find harmony. In the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. A famous quote from Albert Einstein, and fitting description of how Stevos Weavos was born.
So once the COVID came in and I was doing my online studies, you know that you have a lot of time while you were studying. So I am from a family that is very known for weaving, but they go on a different path in terms of how they sell their products. So either they go like to the craft markets or to the hotels, but I decided to do mine through social media. So that's where I venture out into weaving.
The products weaved range from functional decor to storage items and even fashion.
So my tagline is crafting your curiosity, which simply means that you come with your idea, your thought, and your style, and I will weave anything for you. So the products are like basket, baby bassinet, trays, handbags, laundry basket, mats, bowls in different styles, shapes, and patterns.
A trained chemistry teacher, Shane's studies added a unique flair to his designs.
In terms of the colors that make the pattern of the products, those are from dyes. And my chemistry knowledge really enhanced that aspect of it, where I mix the dyes with like aluminum sulfate and vinegar, which is ethanoic acid, and all of those things to get the pretty colors that you're seeing in the products. So that aspect of chemistry really helped me in the business wise. It has enhanced my knowledge so that, you know, I can go there and present myself.
When asked about the journey thus far, this is what he had to say.
It has been a good one, you know. It has been a good one. It has more advantages than disadvantages to it.
So good, he won $400,000 in the pitch competition on the St. Elizabeth leg of the 2025 MSME Business Roadshow, put on by the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce.
It was a really good one, a very exciting one. I asked for the amount that I want, and it's for Amazon, to launch on Amazon. So I was approved to be a seller on Amazon. So it would help me to launch my products on Amazon.
A man on a mission, Shane is also the winner of the 2023 Prime Minister's Youth Award in Entrepreneurship and the 2024 King's Trust Global Youth Achiever Award for the Caribbean.
So anything that can elevate my business, because I realize that it is a very unique thing that I'm doing. So I try to highlight my business with anything possible.
As for the future of Stevos Weavos,
well, I want to open like stores like in resort areas, and I want to be on most of the platforms like Etsy, Amazon, as I mentioned previously, and just to have my own website, have more persons working with me so that I can do mass production.
A young man taking the creative path not often traveled by his peers, Shane Miller is not just weaving products, he's crafting a legacy.